Torch. Hi everyone. I did some modification again to my smoking. To my gas smoker. Reason why I am doing this is because I want to save this parts here. Yeah, I want to save it. So it goes there inside of our smoker. And like what I said, I want to save this because this is very hard to find parts in case it breaks down. But so far, after using it for 18 years, nothing wrong with it. So this is what I did. So I use this grill right here, and I'm going to, if you see, I'm going to slide it there. I'm sorry, slide it there. I put a lot of holes there, of course, and then I went to Costco and then get this pan over here, the stainless pan. Bought it. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to place this. All right. Let me move this a little bit forward. I'm just going to put it right there, and that's where I'm going to stock my water when I'm smoking my fish or my meat. So I hope this, again, doesn't disturb my smoking process because of this new modification that I did. But I think the vents are very, very good. It's actually has more smoke. I mean, the vents are actually more spacious than what I had before. So let's see. Alrighty. Thank you. Thanks for watching. This is the new modification of my smoking grill right here.